Hello guys! Ito yung aking gift. Maalala ko guys, nakalimutan ko. So, tignan natin guys kung ano ito. Open natin siya. Surprise! Ang ganda guys. Oh, ang ganda ng card. Diba? So, may pa-ribbons pa siya oh. Wow. Ay, ganun lang siya. Ah! 10 BD. Thank you, madam. Thank you so much. To Dayan, wishing you a wonderful Christmas and a Happy New Year. Love, Marisa and Gaddafi. Thank you, madam and sir. And there's one more. It's for them also. I think this one is, let's see. Let's see what's inside. I think this is chocolate maybe. She used to give me chocolate when she came from the travel. Yan. It's coffee creams. It's chocolate. Thank you for watching, guys. I have 10 BD from Madam and Sir Gaddafi. Imagine that. It's so nice Christmas card. Yan. Thank you for watching, guys. But let's see what's inside. It's chocolate, guys. So cute. Ay! Nalaglag. Bye-bye, guys. Thank you for watching. Nice, guys. Bye. That's it.